What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you some examples regarding finding derivatives of some functions. In this example it says find the first and second derivative. First one is y equals to negative x squared plus 3. Y prime will be, the derivative of negative x squared will be negative 2x. The derivative of 3 is going to be 0. Y double prime is going to be the derivative of negative 2x, which is going to be negative 2. Next one. Y equals to x squared plus x plus h plus 8. Y prime is going to be, derivative of x squared is 2x, derivative of x is 1, derivative of 8 is 0. Second derivative. Derivative of 2x is going to be 2, and derivative of 1 is 0. Next example. Y equals to 5t cubed minus 3t to the power 5. Y prime is going to be 5 times 3, 15t squared, minus 3 times 5, 15t to the power 4. Y double prime is going to be 15 times 2, 30t, minus 15 times 4, 60t to the power 3. Next example. It says f of x equals to 3x to the power 7 minus 7x to the power 3 plus 21x to the power 2. First derivative is going to be 3 times 7, 21, x to the power 7 minus 1 is 6. Next one, 7 times 3, 21, x to the power 3 minus 1 is 2, plus 21 times 2, 42. X to the power of 2 minus 1 is going to be just 1. Y double prime is going to be 21 times 6, that will be 126. X to the power of 5 minus 21 times 2, 42x. And then derivative of 42x is just 42. Next example. F of x equals to 4x cubed over 3 minus x. Y prime is, derivative of this part is going to be 4 over 3 times 3 x to the power of 3 minus 1, 2, minus the derivative of x is 1. Second derivative is going to be 4 over 3 times 3 is 4, x squared. 4 over 3 times 3 is going to be 4. Basically rewriting y prime. So it's going to be 4 times x squared minus 1. When you do the second derivative, that will be 4 times 2, 8x. The derivative of negative 1 is 0. Next example. X cubed over 3 plus x squared over 2 plus x over y prime. The derivative will be 3 over 2 x squared plus 2 over 2x plus the derivative of x over 4 is 4. When you simplify, this is going to be x squared plus x plus 1 over 4. Next one. Y double prime is going to be, the derivative of x squared is 2x, the derivative of x is 1, the derivative of 1 over 4 is 2x plus 1. Now next example, it says 3x to the power of negative 2 minus 1 over x. Y prime is going to be 3 times negative 2 times x to the power of negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3, minus x, 1 over x is x to the power of negative 1. So this is going to be negative times negative 1 x to the power of negative 2. So it's going to be negative 6 x to the power of negative 3 plus x to the power of negative 2. That will be negative 6 over x cubed plus 1 over x squared. Now when we find that double prime, it's going to be negative 6 times negative 3 times x to the power of negative 4 plus negative 2 times x to the power of negative 3. That will be 18 x to the power of negative 4 minus 2x to the power of negative 3. So you can also write it like 18 over x to the power of 4 minus 2 over x to the power of 3. That's the derivative of this function. Let's see next example. f of x equals to negative 2t to the power of negative 1 plus 4 over t squared. F prime is going to be negative 2 times negative 1 to the power of negative 2 plus 4 times negative 2 times t to the power of negative 2. That's going to be 2t to the power of negative 2 minus 8t to the power of negative 2. That's it. F double prime will be negative 4 to the power of negative 3 plus 24 to the power of negative 4. That will be negative 4 over t2 plus 24 over t to the power. That's the F double prime. Next example is y equals to 6x squared minus 10x minus 5x to the power of negative 2. Derivative is going to be 12x minus 10 minus 5 times negative 2 times x to the power of negative 2, which will be 12x minus 10 plus 10x to the power of negative 3. And when you do the double prime, it's going to be the derivative of 12x is 12, the derivative of negative 10 is 0, and the derivative of 10x to the power of negative 2 is going to be negative 30x to the power of negative 2. If you rewrite it, it's going to be 12 minus 30 over x to the power of 4. Next example, y equals to 4 minus 2x minus x to the power of negative 2. The first derivative of 4 is 0, derivative of negative 2x is negative 2, derivative of negative x to the power of negative 3 is going to be negative 3x to the power of negative 4. It will be negative 2 plus 3x to the power of negative 4, or negative 2 plus 3 over x to the power. Y double prime. Derivative of negative 2 is 0. The derivative of 3x to the power of negative 4 will be 3 times negative 4 times x to the power of negative 4, which will be negative 12 x to the power of negative 4, which will be negative 12 over x to the power of 5. That's the answer to the question. Next example. F of x is 1 over 3x squared minus 5 over 2x. F of x, if we rearrange it in negative power, it's going to be 5 over 2x to the power of negative. So f prime is going to be negative 2 over 3x to the power of negative 3, negative 5 over 2 times negative 1 times x to the power of negative 2. So that will be negative 2 over 3 x to the power of negative 3 plus 5 over 2 x to the power of negative 2. F double prime will be negative 2 over 3 times negative 3 times x to the power of negative 4 plus 5 over 2 times negative 2 x to the power of negative 2. So that will be positive 2 x to the power of negative 4 minus 5 x to the power of negative 2. Or you can say is 2 over x to the power of 4 minus 5 over x to the power of 3. Next example. F of x is 12 over x minus 4 over x cubed plus 1 over x to the power, which if you rearrange it in negative power is going to be x to the power of negative 1 minus 4x to the power of negative 3 plus x to the power of negative 4. Derivative will be 12 times negative 1 x to the power of negative 2 minus 4 times negative 3 x to the power of negative 4 minus 4 x to the power of negative 5. It's going to be negative 12 x to the power of negative 2 plus 12 x to the power of negative 4 minus 4 x to the power of negative 2. Now, double prime is going to be positive 24 x to the power of negative 3 minus 48 x to the power of negative 5 plus 20 x to the power of negative 6. You can rearrange it if you want to get rid of this negative power. It's going to be 24 over x cubed minus 48 over x to the power of 5 plus 20 over x to the power of 6. That's the F double prime. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra. Thank you for watching and have a great day.